Although JUnit 5 looks more like an upgrade to the historical version by name of the premised framework, but in fact, it is a completely new framework and almost no relationship with JUnit 3 and 4. So it is not a simple upgrade from the JUnit 4. JUnit 5's framework is composed by three major components named Jupyter, Vintage, and Platform. All right, let's high level explain those three frame components. As you can see, this diagram, Jupyter is a component that provided the brand new programs and the execution model of the JUnit 5 framework. The developer of program will write source code by Jupyter APIs. As developers, Jupyter is a component that will be most used in our daily work. And this component is Jupyter platform serves as a foundation for launch testing framework on the JVM. It also defines the test engine APIs for discovery, unit test method, and execution on the platform. As you can see, actually our popular IDEs like Eclipse and IntelliJ or building tools like Maven, Gradle, and SBT or Ant already provided the explanation of the platform, Unified platform, and later we will have a demo to show. And the JUnit Vintage is a component that provide a test engine for running JUnit 3 and JUnit 4 test case on JUnit 5 platform. To be honest, understand JUnit 5 architecture is not easy thing, but it is very important. And let's explain the different components and the relationship more details. As as you can see this diagram from the bottom to up. First, at the up bottom, we can find the very popular IDEs and all build toolings like the Maven, Gradle, Eclipse, and IntelliJ IDE. Will implement the JUnit 5 platform launcher because JUnit platform components existing the launcher APIs. And the next lecture, we will customer ourselves the launcher and demo it again. As you can see, this is Maven um, implement of JUnit 5 the launcher, and this is the Gradle. This is the other IDEs. And platform launcher will discover from the class path or model path and find and so load the test engine. The test engine also provided a abstract APIs and different types of the test code will be execution by different engine. As you can see, the JUnit 4 source code is test code will be execution by Vintage engine, and JUnit 5 will be source code test code actually will be is discovery and execution by the Jupyter ng. Yes, this is a relationship of the different um, component. Okay, next lecture, I will write a simple test code and explain in depth how to um, the relationship of the how to cooperation with the different modules or component. Okay, see you next lecture.